Minasan, konnichiwa, and welcome to another mini vlog. So for today's video, please join me as I go to my school. So here in Japan, I have 3 schools. Every Wednesday, Carlet, my roomie, will drive me to school. It's a 20-minute drive, so we need to get up early so that I will arrive early, and so can she. I have the same schools as before, and I'm so thankful about it. And my teachers, my co-teachers are much happier than my students. The place where we lived is a countryside, but ang area sa ako, ang school is much countryside, but like bukid yun siya. My first impression was, aside from the beautiful nature, ang first ginako napansin is ang road, guys. Very nice kayo, as in smooth sailing ang amuang kanang pag-drive. Kay tsada ka andalan, simentado. And I was wishing, the same pud ni sa Philippines. Because way back when I was still in the Philippines, I live in a countryside. And kung yung kag bukid, as in bukid yun, ang dalan pag yun kay grabe ka lubak-lubak. So very dangerous, especially pag mag-ulan. So how I wish nga the same food bitaw ni sa amua nga unta kan siya po ng dalan kay for the safety na din. You can see guys, grabe yun kay kanindot yun, as in makapapawaw talaga.
Wow!
Pasulod na ta sa tunnel, guys. So, ang Japan gyud kay daghan kay sila mga tunnels gyud. And please don't ask me why nganong daghan silang tunnel kay wala ko kabalo. Yeah, paki-search lang po sa Google kung bakit marami silang tunnel. This is one of my favorite parts, kanang kanigawa sa tunnel. It's so beautiful. It's so refreshing talaga. Now that I'm surrounded with the beautiful trees, I appreciate Mother Earth even more. Early sound trip. Sakto na kay basi makapiright ang yata. Kani nga vibe kay purag padulong sa lagindingan. Diba? Ang ganda talaga. Ayun no, parang Christmas tree. We're almost here. Pasulod na ta, guys. Ayan. Ako jud kay ni nga school, guys, ay pero gamay ra kay ang mga students. And then look, we have a playground. So after second period, di magdula ang mga student. As usual, before entering the building, kailangan pong mag-change ng indoor shoes. Kay bawal ni mo dalo ng imong shoes na gikan sa gawas. Ayan. After how many hours, guys? Ayan na. Uwian na, guys. Uwian na. My most favorite part of the day. This is really a productive day, guys. And thankfully, effective na ng activities nga akong gibuhat. Thank you, Lord. So, guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. Bye!